ठीक है. So now this delta t minus a forms the basis for this vector space. Delta t minus a forms the basis for this vector space. So if I want to optimize on this, the directions I need to move is, I need to add delta t minus a. See, I can add h into delta t minus a. I can add h, so I have f of x. So now if I have f of x plus h into delta t minus a for all a, I can shift each of these a's, and you will get a set of trajectories which are trajectories that are similar to f of x, but just at that a point they deviate slightly from f of x. So this gives you all the possible directions in which you can move. Now what it means is, for all possible values of a, so if I have a map, so if I have a map K that maps this set S to real numbers, and I say that f is a maxima of this set for this map K, yeah, then what I should have is K of f of x plus this should be less than K of f of x for all, let's call this L, for all a less than L less than b. Right? So I can say that for all a less than L less than b, this condition should be satisfied. Okay, this gives you all the basis vectors, right? So this delta t minus L, it satisfies all the conditions for your basis vectors. So you have one basis here. So I move along any basis vector, your value should reduce if it's a maxima. Is that right? Satisfies? So you can look at maxima this way. You're doing exactly the same thing as what you did last time. Yeah, but you can look at maxima this way. So whenever you're solving a maximization or a minimization problem in this setting, what you're going to be doing, first thing you need to recognize what vector space you're optimizing on. Then you need to see what are all the directions that I can move in that vector space, and I need to show that if I move in all these directions, I'm going to reduce. That's all. What are all the directions I have? What is the vector space that I'm looking at? What are the directions that I can move in that vector space? And if I move in any of those directions, my value should reduce for a maxima or increase for a minimum. Right? Exactly what you've done in maxima and minima in your class 11, I guess. Yeah, class 11. Okay. That's all. This is